The type of healthcare we need varies from one person to the next. It depends on our individual healthcare needs and not in the least, our available budgets. In order to avoid costly medical aid disasters, make sure you are aware of these mistakes. 1. Failure to shop around. Yes, it is quite a thing, looking for the best medical aid scheme and a package that best suits your individual needs. But taking out some time to do some shopping around can save you thousands of rands. Your personal circumstances as well as medical scheme pricing structures change all the time, so loyalty may not necessarily be the wisest thing to go on. Get a range of quotations and determine which option best suits your budget or contact a medical aid broker. You can also use online price comparison tools. 2. Not asking questions. Another huge mistake that can cost you dearly is not asking questions. And these questions can vary from information regarding waiting periods, rules around pre-authorization for special procedures, etc. To get clarity on things that you are not sure about, you should talk with your medical aid broker or with someone at the medical schemes call center. They are there to help you. 3. Assuming that there's a one-size-fits-all option. Since each person's medical needs and conditions are different, the medical aid option that's right for one person may not necessarily be right for you. It's understandable that you get confused when comparing the large variety of options because their descriptions can be pretty daunting, tempting you into making a decision without thinking things through. Make sure, however, you read all the fine print and ask as many questions you need in order to get the medical aid cover that suits your particular needs and budget. 4. Not getting cover because you're healthy. You may be on top of the world and super healthy and fit now, but what if you fall ill and need cover to avoid exorbitant medical costs? You may be faced with long waiting periods before you are eligible to claim. Make sure you get yourself on a medical scheme while you're young and healthy so that you are prepared for any unforeseen medical circumstances. 5. Getting an unnecessarily high package. When chatting to a medical aid broker, you may be tempted to choose an option that far exceeds your requirements. If you don't go to the doctor very often and you are generally pretty healthy, get adequate cover but take one that makes medical as well as financial sense. Before you take out any medical aid cover, determine what you need and what you can afford. There are plans ranging from hospital plans and basic cover to fully comprehensive cover, with a lot of variations in between. Compare packages and premiums. Speak to your medical aid broker and ask questions so that you get the cover that is right for you.